Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for you. The Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver with speed drive technology, which we believe is the best screwdriver available in the market. This innovative screwdriver packs a punch with its unique features, and we're here to tell you all about it. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what sets the Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver apart is its speed drive technology. This patented feature allows you to drive screws 2 times faster than a standard ratcheting screwdriver. That means you'll be finishing your projects in no time. Just watch how effortlessly it drives screws with each left and right turn. That's double the speed of your regular screwdriver. Now, let's talk convenience. One of the standout features of this screwdriver is its in-handle bit storage. With the capacity to hold up to 6 bits, you'll have quick and easy access to all the bits you need for your tasks. Look at this. No more searching for bits in your toolbox. They're right at your fingertips whenever you need them. When it comes to reliability, the Craftsman screwdriver has you covered. Its extended locking bit holder ensures a secure hold on bits during use, so you won't have to worry about them slipping out while you work. Comfort and performance go hand in hand with this screwdriver. The bi-material handle is designed for speed, torque, and precision. It feels great in your hand, providing you with the control you need for any task. Trust me, you'll appreciate the ergonomic design after a long day of work. So, there you have it, folks. The Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver with speed drive technology. It's faster, more convenient, reliable, and comfortable. In our opinion, it's the best screwdriver on the market right now. If you're looking to make your DIY projects a breeze or just want a top-quality tool in your toolbox, this is the one. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We'll see you next time with more fantastic product reviews.